Hi guys, in this box holds something I've been wanting for ages. What's in the box? Let's find out. Earlier this week, an online article came to my attention. Apple is now selling a standalone keyboard with Touch ID. As we know, with iPhones, iPads and MacBooks, Touch ID is a safe and secure way of authentication. Personally, I cannot believe it's taken Apple this long to create a desktop version of Touch ID for the Mac. When compared to the previous generation, there are some noticeable differences. They now have dedicated keys, such as Spotlight Search and Do Not Disturb. On the base of the new keyboard, there is a new matte finish, which is very textured. When I turned my Mac on, I received this pop-up. I then went straight to System Preferences and registered my fingerprint. The reason why Touch ID is so effective is because you can log in and log out very quickly, as opposed to using a password. If you've enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.